Hello, my name is Shynn, and today I'm going to be demoing the Consumer Lab 3 fake review method. It's a pretty cool method that I created. So I'll display it here in VS Code, but I'll run it through BlueJ. So as noted here, the fake review method takes in, it's a static method that it's public, so you can access it outside the method. It takes in a string, and it returns a string, and the string's name is it's the name of the file, and anyway, so it takes in the string, and we are supposed to. It takes in an annotated string, and we're supposed to replace every annotation in it. For example, in this case, we replace brown or quick with a different adjective from the random adjectives. So we should replace it with a different adjective from the random adjectives. So here's my method. First, I take the string to the file to a string. Usually it's a text file. Then I create a new string called temp string, which is what I'm going to return. Then I print this out. That was just for debugging, so we'll remove that. And then I get into a while true loop. So this will continue repeating until there are no more annotations. Then it will actually return the rest of the string and then stop. Ignoring that, what it does is it takes a substring of the beginning to the first annotation. Then instead of the annotation, it goes all the way to the star. I forgot its name now. Asterisk. Yeah. So it goes all the way to the asterisk, and then, but it doesn't include the word after the asterisk. In fact, it doesn't even include the asterisk. It just goes to the space before. Then it puts a random adjective, and then with this substring, it takes everything after what was originally this word right after the asterisk. It takes everything from here to the remaining part of it. And it sets that to the original string so that I can continue and loop back through it. And then lastly, it returns this temp string. So I use the while loop because we don't know exactly how many asterisks there are, how many annotated adjectives there are. So it's useful to use a while loop so you can continue looping through it until like there are no more. So let's try it out. So we have our BlueJ here, and then here's our text editor so we can change it. So I will first start with the example. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And let me run that. Compile, and yes. So the name, I named it as test.text. Yes. And the ugly, beautiful fox jumps over the satisfying dog. Yep. That's cool. It works in that case. Let's try a different case. So I'll try to create a sentence. The silly, sorry, it might be difficult to see. The silly fox, silly blue fox fell over the tall cliff. He was fine in the end, however, and his white rabbit buddies played a fun game with him. Okay, that's a very simple thing, but we'll save it and then let's run it. So fake review, test.text. Let's try it. The limited aging fox fell over the cherished cliff. He was fine in the end, however, and his beautiful rabbit buddies played a game with him. I don't think it worked on the last part. I'll have to go check why that is. So let's check the test.text. I think it might be because it's on. We should separate these into a different line. Yeah. Let's try that. Yep. Okay. Sometimes the the text to string function doesn't work because the line is too large. I think that may be something, but it definitely works now. See, when I separate it into different lines. So, Harmonic Agent Fox fellow with a surprising clip. He was finding the end, however, and his surprising rabbit buddies played a thriving game with them. So yeah, so that's the fake review method. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.